In this video, I'm not going to only tell you what makes a perfect product, but also show you tons of examples for every single criteria for what a good product is. So as a lot of you guys know, for getting dropshipping, you need to have a virality factor. That is not enough though. Just me saying this is not enough. That's why I'm going to show you a bunch of examples for that first. Then I'm going to go to the next criteria, show you another bunch of examples, and I'm going to go through every criteria with proving my point with perfect examples. Very first one, virality factor. By just showing the product, it makes it look cool. The only reason why this video is good is because of the product. All right, you just show the product and that actually genuinely looks super cool, and that's it. That makes the video great. Now, a couple of issues with that are, number one, is there's no huge demand for this product, and number two, it's a showcase product. Showcase products have a little issue. If you just show the product and it's cool by itself, if it doesn't go viral, what do you do though? There's nothing you can really do because the only good video concept is going to be showing the product. It takes the control out of your hands and it adds a little luck factor. Let me show you another product with huge virality.
It's time to drink water. It's time to drink water. It's time to drink water. It's time to drink water.
So with this product, it's genuinely super easy to go viral because you make stupid videos like this and you go crazy and you do whatever you want and it's super fun and entertaining to watch, but you don't really need the product, right? This is not something which converts too well. Just because the views are so ridiculously high, you're gonna make money, but it's not gonna make a lot of money. So with that being said, let me show you one product which all of you guys probably think is super, super cool, but it sucks.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe.
Insane, right? This product right here looks super cool. And it's just insane how it's picking up everything from the table. Everybody comments, can you also pick up shampoo, milk? Can you pick up different sauces? They give you so many video ideas. Everything seems amazing on the surface. Why would you buy this product though? Just ask yourself that question. Why would you need this product? There's no real use case. You can have this argument of the whole pizza dough thing, which some people did, but it's useless. Like it's not a product which anybody ever needs. It's something which just looks cool. And that is it. It's not useful. And all these products have two commonalities. I have the virality factor, but they're kind of useless. And this leads me to the second criteria. Do people want it? It has to be a product which people want. You must have that for the conversions. It's very logical. Let me just show you this video to prove my point. Very first of all, the video by itself is great because of a couple of things. Number one, the product gives you a lot of room for controversy. For example, people asking, why do you even have to flip an egg? Usually you just make an egg, you don't even have to flip it. Who the fuck flips the egg? That's a controversial topic. Some people do, some people don't, and they're gonna start fighting. And this is exactly what you want. And on top of that, what this video did really well, it actually showed the egg from below, and people started fighting whether it's too burnt or not. Obviously, this is just personal preference, but everybody just starts fighting. And this is a beautiful thing which you can create. If you're an instigator for fights in the comments, you're gonna go viral. But again, the main problem is if you look at the comment section, the vast majority of them is gonna be, why do people flip eggs? It's super useless. And this is something which just shows you're not gonna have a big target audience. Usually people don't need this. And again, the criteria is not there. You don't need the product. So what about this? Is it good or is it bad? Well, again, video perfect. You just show the product and it's so satisfying. But you don't really need it. This is not something which you're going to make ridiculous amounts of money off, especially because it also looks cool for people who don't have snow in their towns. This is just somewhat useful if it's snowing in your city, but it still looks cool for people who don't have snow in their cities, which means that it goes viral generally and not targeted, which again makes it very unsalesy and just going viral for the wrong audience. And the other question you should ask yourself is it snowing in your city? can you actually film this product, or you have to drive like 100,000 kilometers somewhere to even be able to start? Well, in reality, this should be one of the most important criteria for you. Can you film videos for this product? And this is exactly what the next criteria is. Let's take a look at this one and just ask yourself if this product is good or not. Cool, right? Super cool product. Well, if you can't play the drums, it sucks. If you can play the drums though, amazing. This is good. This basically adds an advanced criteria, which is hard to copy. If you have a skill, if you have something which is going to make you stand out and be able to film something for this product and everybody else is not going to be, you're going to start making way more money. In that regard, it's really good, but you have to have the skill. And this is the same exact thing with these guitar picks, for example. If we take a look at these, they're cool, but only if you can film with this. Now let's step this up even higher. If you're a girl with stretch marks, this is one of the best products you can ever sell. Like, it looks super useful, everybody's going crazy about the product in the comments, it goes viral for the right audience, everything is great if you have stretch marks as a woman, alright? If you don't, this product is useless. If you find a woman with stretch marks, go ahead. But if you don't sell this product. Do you need anything to film this product? No, but it takes ages to film it. You have to build this to film one video, and after that you have to either destroy it somehow, I probably think it's not even possible, or you have to buy another one. So it makes it so annoying to film, and this is a very important thing for you as well. In the beginning, you don't need something like this. This can be good later on, but in the beginning, you should be focused on making good videos, not on building these castles. This is something which is going to waste so much of your time, but you're going to feel productive because that's what you need to do for the content. But selecting a good product where it's easy to film is literally half of everything. Here, if you have a swimming pool at home, by all means, go ahead. If you don't, you're gonna have to go to the swimming pool every single time you film, which makes this product suck a little bit. Now, this is just something where you need to ask a question by yourself. Is it easy to film for you? So this is a product which is super simple to film. If you're a girl. Like, if you're a girl, this is a really simple video to film. If you're a guy, it makes it almost impossible. These are the 3 questions which you should be always asking yourself when you select the product. Number 1, does it have the virality factor? Number 2, do people actually want this? And number 3, is it easy to film with this for you? Like, are you able to actually film with this or not? But the actual issue here, just because you follow these 3 criteria, it doesn't make you successful at dropshipping. This is not enough. The skill of picking products is going to take you a while to figure out. And that's why the program of ours is such a shortcut for everything. We're going to just look over the sheets you make with all the products and tell you this is good, this is bad, this is good, this is bad. And that's it. So it's so much simpler for you to do actual product research if it's with us, where we look over your shoulder and tell you if you're going right or wrong. The other thing which is going to happen is if you don't go viral with a product, you're going to always ask yourself, should I kill this product or should I keep testing it? This is something which is going to also be eliminated in the program. We're just going to tell you, all right, now it's time to move on. No, keep going. This is going in the right direction. It's very difficult to determine, and you can potentially waste months of your life testing a shit product, or you're going to stop a product way too early and you almost found the gold, you almost found the winner, but then you just quit, all right, and move on to the next product. We're literally going to save you from all of this, and on top of that, we're going to look over every single video you post and tell you what's good and what's bad, what to change, how to improve the things to make everything perfect. So if you're interested in the program, click the link below and I will talk to you soon.